2024 Chevrolet Impala SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles 15,178 on the odometer right now. Of course, LT1 power, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Now it is black, so on the hood there's a few spots, and you can kind of see them. They're not the easiest to see, but there's a few little spots where there has been a little bit of touch up. If it's been a small little pebble chip or what have you, previous owners touched it up. Still pictures, take your time looking at this one. Look at the underside pictures. Very clean underneath there. Engine bay, interior, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Impala SS, polished wheels, and they look like they are in nice shape. It appears to be the original BF Goodrich comp TAs on there. Letting you know that YouTube police that are on tire patrol, yeah, I get it, they're old. Letting the next owner know that, or anybody that'd be interested in this car, tires would need attention sooner than later. If you're going to put some miles on this thing, maybe somebody's going to collect it and not drive it a whole lot. Either way, next owner's decision. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, the bucket seats, center console, and again, gray leather. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look, start it up, let you hear it run. Plenty of pictures of the interior in with the still pictures. You can see these panels are nice and straight. Paint shows well. And again, great condition. The rear polished wheel. Disc brakes, all four corners. Technician did note 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Paint on the rear bumper, good shape. Deck lid also. You'll be able to see the RPO codes on the sticker in the trunk in the still pictures. And once again, look at the undersides and how clean this car is underneath there, as well as the interior, trunk, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side here. If you like Impalas, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars, or maybe just like cars in general and checking them out. Go ahead and subscribe, and plenty to look at on our website. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see that black paint, about a mirror-like finish. You can see the reflection. The car's behind me, the wall. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, dual power seats. Then your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Did notice a little slight crack. Driver's side, passenger side armrest. Seats free of rips, tears, holes, much wear in the leather at all. Tilt column cruise control. Of course, the digital speedo. All right, so there's your exact miles, 15,178. No check engine light, service engine soon light, anything like that. Top of the dash, great shape. AM FM cassette player. I have not played around with this at all. Let's check it out. Looks like it's going to work just fine.
Looking for love in all the...
Story of my life, looking for love in all the wrong places. Radio working. All right. How about the headliner? Looks good. Good looking interior. How's it sound? I'd say like you'd expect. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. These are nice cruisers, no doubt about that. A sport sedan. Just come up here to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. Let's check out this engine bay. Stick around to the end of the video like usual. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, that hood liner doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Very clean, and here's that engine bay. Once again, what you'd expect with a two-owner car, clean Carfax, a little over 15,000 miles is all on it. There is a battery disconnect too, for when it's in between drives, maybe in storage. Now I also wanted to point out power antenna is working, as you can see there. 5.7 liter, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. One of our better selling models here at Unique. 1994 Chevrolet Impala SS. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Impala SS. This is an automatic on the column. This is one of those cars, if you've ever heard the term sleeper, this would be considered one of those. It looks a little bit inconspicuous, but it can perform much more than you would think. Basically, what's similar to the police package installed on a family sedan and blacked out beautifully. The Impala SS, the performance version of the family car from 1994. Oil pressure is showing 3/4 of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge showing over half. Batteries charging over half, and the coolant temperature is about 1/3 of the way up. That's all looking good. Stereo sounds great. Practically like new in many of these areas, such as the interior seats. The dash is looking great. This car showing less than 20,000 miles, just over 15,000 miles. Brakes nice and smooth. There is a crack in the driver's door panel that I can see. Not very many other flaws of any kind. It feels great. Corners amazingly. Brakes smooth. Power steering is excellent. Acceleration very good. Let's check the cruise control. We've also got cup holder center storage. Cruise control is functioning as it should. Digital speedometer. Now if that's flickering at all, that's just our camera's frame rate. The dash looks great. Leather bucket seats with all the amenities. Very comfortable car. Take for a long trip, drive it for fun with the performance factor, or just collect it. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.